Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the Black+Decker 0.9 CU Fort Portable Washer and the Nixod Portable Washing Machine. In this video, we will break down their features, specifications, and overall performance to help you determine which one is the better choice for your laundry needs. Let's dive in. When it comes to washing capacity, the Black+Decker portable washer has a capacity of 6.6 pounds, making it suitable for small loads. In contrast, the Nixod portable washing machine boasts a larger capacity of 15 liters, allowing you to wash more items at once. This makes the Nixod a better choice for those who need to do laundry for multiple small items or for families with children. Portability is a key factor when choosing a washing machine for small spaces. The Black+Decker model weighs 44.1 pounds, which can be cumbersome for some users. On the other hand, the Nixod washing machine is incredibly lightweight, at only 4.6 pounds, and features a foldable design, making it easy to store and transport. If you need a machine that you can easily move around, the Nixod is the clear winner here. In terms of features, the Black+Decker portable washer offers 5 different wash cycles, including heavy, gentle, and soak options, providing versatility for various laundry needs. Meanwhile, the Nixod washing machine is more basic, with limited wash cycle options, but includes a spin basket for added convenience. Depending on your laundry habits, the Black+Decker may be more suitable for those who require more washing options. In conclusion, both the Black+Decker 0.9 CU Fort portable washer and the Nixod portable washing machine have their strengths. The Black+Decker offers more features and a larger capacity, while the Nixod excels in portability and ease of storage. Depending on your specific needs, one may be a better fit than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.